it starts. I've seen not quite the beginning, but the beginning state, and now pretty much the end. It's a mighty river. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana. This is my 46th state, and it's lunchtime, so yeah, let's go in. Sausage biscuit, muffinata. Well, that was delicious. Like really, really, really good. I'll show you the menu now. So there's that sausage biscuit and the muffinata. First record store here in New Orleans, and it is called Sisters in Christ. So let's check it out. All right, second lunch, sweet soul food. I'm gonna get some jambalaya. Never had it before. When in Rome. Dining in. Jambalaya and gumbo, okra gumbo, and then soursop and ginger. Heck yeah. All right, another record store. Domino sound. All right, picked up two local ones. We got this here. Let me see. Epic Reflexes. And then Cattywampus. And then one that they released on their label right here. It is not quite sure, but looks really fun. Some stamps up there. Domino sound. How do you like your orange juice? If it's with no pulp, you'll fit in here. More records. And I'm gonna get this one right here. Fun Place, third level of the bookstore. Second to last music stop of Louisiana. Louisiana Music Factory. How fitting. Look at that. All the local stuff. Just hanging out here with my friends. Picked up Doombalaya. Awesome cover, awesome name. So one more stop, Euclid Records. Here we come. Not sure if that's coming through. We got ourselves a thunderstorm. The cool breeze is coming in. And the thunder rolls. This is my second time visiting Euclid Records. But of course the first one in Louisiana. The original one right here. Last record store for Louisiana. Thou, another thou. Well, hello, Mississippi. State number 47 for me. Woohoo! All right, first and only vegan stop here in Alabama. Just started raining right as I got to Mobile Records.
He's crazy. He said, I've done 875. I took him out the back. He found 5 he didn't have. We're going to buy him one.
Yep.
The other guy that works here is from Minnesota.
What a crazy place. So many records in there. So much stuff to look through. If I had more time, I would keep digging. But I did find some local stuff. Here's that first one. And then one of Alabama's favorite sons, Jason Isbell. And then one that he called almost local. It is Sonic Graffiti. I guess they were almost signed to Third Man Records. All right, welcome to Hattiesburg. And we got T-Bones. All right. Woo-hoo.
I know it's been a while.
Not a ton of local stuff here at T-Bones, but did pick up that. And then Haley Williams. All right. All right. Last vegan stop of the trip. As you can tell, oops, all vegan. Jackson, Mississippi. One more record store after this. And then just a baseball game. Scratch that. Closed today. Just saw on their Instagram page. Dang. All right, record store, here we come. So that place behind me, Offbeat, my last record store and last non-baseball stop of this road trip. 3,500 miles in total, and it all comes down to this. Flaming Lips single, signed by Wayne, $5. This Bon Iver Calgary has been on my list forever because that I Can't Make You Love Me, Nick of Time, so fantastic. Last of the local stuff. I already showed you what I got inside. Those two were not local, but this one is. Looks pretty trippy. And then a husband-wife neo soul album, but unfortunately they are no longer together. And then lastly, we got a local rapper, had to pick between two of his albums, and this one was recommended just a little more highly than the other one. So that's all the records. It's all the record stores. It's all the vegan places. Next stop, Texas, 6 hours away. Gonna get there tonight. Thanks for watching. And if you have any recommendations for future vegan or vinyl places, throw a comment, let me know. Maybe I'll try to get down there. Goodbye, Offbeat. Missed ya. The mighty Mississippi River as we leave Mississippi.